This is a very exciting event in the European Parliament. I have the Ospreys Supporters Choir here to do a concert in the Parliament building itself. There are many people from many different countries coming along tonight to listen to the choir singing. And I have Wyn here, who's the secretary of the choir. Wyn, tell us a little bit about the choir. How did you form?
Well, the choir was formed in 2006 for the S4C programme, Codi Cani, which was basically bringing rich singing back to the terraces, rugby terraces of Wales. And following the end of that series, we carried on and got the choir running ourselves. And since that time, really, we've gone from strength to strength.
I mean, obviously, we've got a night here of rugby and singing, and we've got some Welsh cheese and Welsh beer, but the choir does a lot more too.
Yes, we've done a lot of work for charity, for cancer charities, a charity for tragically a young rugby player died of his injuries from Neath, and we raised some money for that player, and a lot of charity work throughout Wales, really.
Well, thank you very much for coming here tonight to raise the profile of Wales in Europe and Wales in the European Parliament. Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch yn fawr.